In today's video, we are going to cover how to create a booking calendar in HoneyBook. Start by signing in to your HoneyBook account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click Tools. This opens the area where HoneyBook keeps features that support your workflow, including scheduling options. From there, select Scheduler. When the Scheduler page opens, click Create Session to start building a new booking calendar. This creates a session that clients can use to view your availability and reserve time with you. Next, enter the booking details for the session. Add a session name that clearly describes what the appointment is for, since this is what clients will see when they book. Then set the session duration so the calendar reflects the amount of time each appointment should take. After that, choose the meeting location. This can be used to indicate where the session will happen, whether that is a physical location or an online meeting space. You will also need to set your availability, which tells HoneyBook when clients are allowed to book this session. Once the basic session details are in place, move on to your scheduling preferences. This is where you control how the calendar behaves. Set any booking limits you want to use so the session does not exceed the number of appointments you want to allow. Add buffer times if you want space before or after meetings. Adjust the notice period to control how far in advance someone must book. Then confirm the time zone settings so the appointment times appear correctly. Make sure the selected time zone matches the one you want clients to see before you continue. After that, customize the booking page itself. Add any instructions you want clients to read before they complete the booking. This is a good place for details about preparation, location notes, or anything they need to know before the meeting. Then review the confirmation settings, which control what happens after someone books. You can also update the branding on the page so the scheduler matches the look you want clients to see. With those settings in place, preview the booking calendar. This gives you a chance to check both the layout and the booking flow before you make it public. Look over the session name, time availability, instructions, and confirmation details. If anything appears off, go back and adjust it before publishing. When everything looks the way you want, save the session and publish it. After publishing, HoneyBook will provide the booking link for that scheduler session. Share that link with your clients so they can access your calendar and schedule appointments based on the availability you set. Your HoneyBook booking calendar is now created, published, and ready to share with clients.